East February sowing mistake UK gardeners make. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and yes, we are now in February. So this is one February mistake gardeners set themselves for failing on their allotments and in the gardens. Now, obviously, February can be pretty cold still. We can get snow, we can get frost, we can get bad weather. It's not always best for starting seedlings off in. Now, people think, oh, I can start them all off on my windowsill, get them all started. However, they can grow pretty leggy and not grow very well and strong enough. So I tend to wait for all my seedlings to start them off in middle of March, end of March, and usually they all catch up. The only ones that I've started now are my chilies, peppers, aubergines. They're the only ones that I've started really early. So yeah, I usually wait for all my other seedlings then, and especially my tomatoes as well. I usually start them off in March. They soon catch up and they soon get growing well, because obviously I'm in the north of England, so yeah, that is when it's a bit warmer for us up north. So I'll be starting all my seeds then, so make sure you stay tuned for when we're starting all our seedlings off, and we'll be showing you along the way how well they're all getting on. Now, obviously, starting the seedlings off early can be an issue with light and space. You don't have as much light or space on your windowsills, so they're not always going to grow very well, and that's why you need your greenhouse or your shed when it gets a bit warmer. And sometimes we get a little heat wave in February or March, and that is the ideal time to start them off, when it gets a bit warmer and the ideal temperature really, because I've got plenty of space in my shed. I've got absolutely loads of shelving, and yeah, we'll be starting them all off then. And we're preparing this month, getting all the seeds ready, seeing what seeds we've got and which ones we're going to grow this year. We're planning it all, we're preparing it all, thinking what we're going to grow in each bed. And yeah, it's a great time for planning. So use February to plan everything that you're going to be growing in March, and use it wisely rather than starting early, failing all your seeds and having to buy all new seeds again and start from scratch. And obviously, February is a slow month for germination. They don't always germinate fast, so you could end up overwatering them as well, which can rot them and cause damage to the roots, and they won't grow well at all. So March is the best time to start them all off. And strong plants often come from restraint from yourself. So restrain yourself, don't sow the seeds this month. Wait until March when I'm starting all mine off, and you'll probably get better crops from them all, and hopefully have some great produce this year down at the allotment. That's what we're planning anyway, to get some great crops down at the allotment. So make sure you drop us a follow and stay up to date when we're going to be sowing all our seeds down at the plot, as we'll be sharing it all, lots of videos of us sowing our seeds. So stay around for all that. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with